Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play World of Warcraft. To begin your epic journey, first select a realm and create your unique character. You will choose between two main factions, Alliance or Horde, and then pick a race and a class that suits your playstyle. Familiarize yourself with fundamental movement using the W, A, S, D keys and control your camera with your mouse. This initial setup is crucial for your adventure. As you venture forth, completing quests is your primary way to gain experience points and valuable rewards. Each quest offers a unique story and helps you understand the world. Learn your chosen class's core abilities and how to use them effectively in combat, often called a rotation. Always keep an eye on your inventory, equipping new gear with better statistics to enhance your character's power and survivability. The world of Azeroth is vast and full of wonders. Explore new zones to uncover hidden secrets and unlock flight paths, which are essential for quick travel across long distances. Engage with non-player characters, or NPC, to accept new quests, sell unwanted items, or purchase useful supplies. Your in-game map and quest log are invaluable tools. Use them frequently to track your progress and objectives. To truly experience World of Warcraft, consider joining a guild. Guilds offer a fantastic community for social interaction, group activities, and helpful advice from experienced players. Once you reach a certain level, you can participate in challenging 5-player dungeons or engage in player-versus-player battlegrounds. Continue leveling up, acquiring better gear, and mastering your class to continuously improve your character's strength and conquer new challenges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.